Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade with no sugar. We will focus on using fresh, high-quality ingredients to create a delicious and refreshing drink. You'll need about 4 to 5 medium-sized lemons, a natural zero-calorie sweetener of your choice, and 3 to 4 cups of filtered water. A small pinch of salt is an optional but recommended addition to balance the flavors beautifully. Now, let's prepare our lemon base. First, roll your lemons on a hard surface to help release the juices, then cut them in half. Use a citrus juicer to extract approximately 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice. Next, dissolve your preferred zero-calorie sweetener in about 1/4 cup of warm water. This ensures it fully integrates into the lemonade, preventing any grainy texture. It's time to bring it all together. In a pitcher, combine the fresh lemon juice, the dissolved sweetener solution, and 3 to 4 cups of cold, filtered water. Stir the mixture vigorously for about 30 seconds to ensure all ingredients are well combined. Taste your lemonade and make any final adjustments to the sweetness or tartness. Then, chill it for at least 30 minutes. Your delicious, sugar-free lemonade is now ready to enjoy. Pour it over plenty of ice in your favorite glass. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh lemon slices, a sprig of mint, or even a few berries. This lemonade is perfect on its own, or you can add a splash of sparkling water for a fizzy twist. Store any leftovers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.